century, what are the situations are present here, we are going to explain. Before explaining, I just want to show you a small trick by clapping your hands. Please clap.
Yeah, light is coming. Again clap, Aksha, very nice.
We can on and off the lights in our home with this trick. And about 19th century, there are different types of animals, birds, and different types of species present here, as you can see here. It is filled with greenery, and it is a polluted free area where we can see large number of vehicles. And here you can see plants, animals, and etc. etc. And humans also in this 19th century were dependent on themselves and about their occupation structures and what are their occupations. My friend will share with you.
Please come, please join. Please join.
This is the 19th century. We can see different types of animals, mountains, and all this. It is a very free pollution area where we can find different types of trees. It is full of greenery. Just it was practiced the mountain in the 19th century. Tribals were more and their main occupation was hunting. And it is a very calm area with vacant places. And more about this, our occupation structure we can see.
Vehicles like cars. Good morning, sir. This is an example of 19th century's house. In those days, people used to depend more on themselves. Their main occupation is agriculture, sir. Nowadays, we are using vehicles like cars, bikes, etc. It is so polluted to everyone. So, in those days, they are used only bullock carts, sir. So, the people of 19th century, their life expectancy is more, sir. I request you to save the plants and save the water and protect the environment, sir.
Thank you.
Share with my friends about 21st century, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome to 21st century. This is 21st century. In 19th century, we were seeing different types of animals, birds and all. Here in 21st century, we are unable to see all those. All the houses are also very congestedly built near to the factories and roads, which is causing severe pollution to all of us. We are suffering from different kinds of diseases, and we are facing different types of diseases also. So in 19th century, the life expectancy of people was more. Here we are not living to that much extent. So my request is to please plant a single tree at least in your house, so that we can increase our life expectancy in future and save ourselves. Now let us see water level indicator experiment. Through this experiment, we can save water.
please.
So now let us see water level indicator experiment. Through this experiment, we can save much water. Daily we are using motors in our houses, and many tanks are getting overflowed, and much water is wasting. So nowadays people are also suffering from water problem. So through this experiment, we can save water. When the water reaches the maximum level, an alarm sound is heard to us. Through that, we can off the motor at the correct time and save the water. But I'll show the experiment.
It's giving more sound so that everybody will be alarmed. Good, good, good. Very good. Good.
So my advice is please save much water.
What is your opinion regarding this fair, sir?
Very nice, very excellent explanation. And it's simple objects with low cost, no cost. In fact, with low cost, no cost, they have done excellently and explaining part, and they are explaining the importance of the environment, why we should protect environment. In earlier olden days, how environment will be, and how it will be, and apart from that, how we are losing water level of the ground level water. So how to protect it? Every individual wasting bucket of water, it comes under gallons of water. So a lot of water wastage. Again, we cannot produce it just like that. So very excellent explanation by our children. Very good, very good. All the best. And as a part of motivation to us, definitely we will also keep the same thing. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. God bless you.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Good, good.
Finally, what do you want to say regarding this experiment?
We want to say that save water and save our environment without getting polluted.
No, no.
Many people are suffering from different kinds of diseases. So to reduce that, we all want to say that to reduce all these and increase our life expectancy rate.
What is that main motto?
Our main motto is to save environment and to protect our environment.
To protect us?
Environment.
It is not possible in cities, I think.
Yeah.
Then what is the remedy for that?
At least each and every house should have a single tree, so that the pollution will be decreased and we can have better life.
Then I think it is possible with that remedy.
Yes.
Okay. If there is no land, how that persons may able to?
First, the population is increasing day by day. So, at least while constructing your houses, leave some space for plantation of trees and for planting our trees.
In cities, much of water is wasting the people. But what is the remedy for that? Instead of water, any other source is there?
No, of course no. Water is much important for everyone. So through this experiment also we can save much water without wasting. While bathing and all, while daily usage, use the water levels, minimum water.
Then how that persons will inspire that from this experiment?
They are inspired that to protect the environment, and they are trying their level best to increase to protect our environment.
I think at present, up to now, total more than 500 people came and visit this experiment.
Yes.
Okay, what is their opinion? What was their opinion?
They are feeling very great, and they are trying to do their level best through this diversity project.
Okay, good opinion. And I want to see your team members totally. But you are the people for making it. How much cost? It was
It is below 700.
below?
700.
Below 700 only it is possible.
Yeah.
So it is very nice, 100%. But if this experiment reaches the persons, that particular persons may be inspired, and they will change very lot. Thank you.